you again. It's your boy JAVAUGH. You a hater, Javon in the building, and we are back with another video, man. And it's your girl.
It's your girl, Shabun. Really, babe?
It's your girl who?
Really?
Look, I got blind by the colors.
It's your girl, Shabun, Sha Money, Sha the Beast. Anyways, guys, we are coming to you all with a Christmas decor room put together. Yeah.
Vlogmas Day
10. Vlogmas Day 10.
I hope you guys can see, man, because this is my area right here. This Dex, I hope you guys can see this Dex right here. Hope you guys can see her Dex over there, you know what I'm saying? As I said before, when we first made the previous video, we went shopping. We're not going to do a big decoration, you know? First Vlogmas, we're going to start with small and grow. Next year, be a little better than this year. Then the year after next year, going to be a little better than last year and this year, so.
Okay, guys, we're just going to be decorating the room. Just a little bit of what we have. We don't, like he said, we don't really have a lot because this is our first Christmas, so we're not trying to overdo it, you know, just because, you know, it's our first Christmas and, you know. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna be doing a little bit. We're just gonna put up a tree on the side of our bed. We're going to stick it in between the tape.
Oh, in between the tape? Okay.
Like not at the tip, not in between it, in the middle of the tape.
I'm trying to get there.
Anger problems. Babe, don't mess up the boxes. You gotta put the tree back in there when we take it down. Give me your box. Yeah, this guy is hilarious.
He ain't working.
Mine work. What kind of glue they put on here? Let me take.
Just wasting time. Disrespectful ass.
Okay, guys, anyway, so like I said, we're just gonna be putting our tree up in our sections. We're gonna decorate this wall over here just with a little bit of stuff, and maybe the door and his little gaming area right there, and then that's all we have. The stuff that we have for the room and everything. I showed y'all everything that we have. I'm just putting it on the bed so y'all can see what we do have. If y'all can see that, if y'all can, then I'm sorry. But yeah, let's go ahead and start putting this tree together. This is not my first tree putting together. Growing up, we always had a tree. Even if it was a small one, we still had a tree.
You just whipped that bad boy like that.
Ow! Shit, that hurted. Like a motherfucker.
Woo! Oh.
This is the size of the tree, y'all.
It wasn't a big tree, man.
It is not a big tree at all. So we take the tree. These are the legs that it comes with. Babe, save your rubber band, okay? Do not pop it off, because you're going to need it. And we just put it down. No, not like that. Put it down. Okay, guys, so this is the lights. Like we said, it's pre-lit. It's pre-lit, so.
See, that's lights in it. You guys in you. You wanna look kind of fresh up in here. She look black as hell.
Shut up.
Why you listen for that egg? Where is that egg? How much look? What you mean fluff a little bit more, man?
Babe, fluff it out some.
Look, I ain't finna try my shit is perfect, man. You over here doing all perfect and shit. My stuff good, girl. Bro, why you guys got more space than mine, though? This got more space than mine, though. Man, the Baltimore Ravens playing right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, Julian Ball. Yes, sir. First down and more. Yes, sir.
Babe, really?
Yes, sir.
Babe.
Yeah?
Video.
Oh, video.
Yeah, video.
Oh, video. Alright, subscribe, like, comment. Notification bell. Oh yes, sir.
Oh.
Oh, let me put mine in. Hold on. I'm trying to be fire like you too. Hold on. I'm putting my bad boy in. Oh.
So cute.
Ooh.
Okay, the first thing I'm gonna start with, guys, is my what's the name?
I don't like her ears are better than mine.
I'm gonna start with my star.
I was gonna start my star too.
Really
Come on. Why you following me, bro? Y'all wanna follow, man?
I always want to follow him. He's going first. I gotta follow you. Okay. Okay, these are my ornaments right here. I showed y'all in the haul. I mean, like the what's the name we did. This is my skirt. Yeah. This for you, babe.
You don't have to work like that.
And
guys see it?
work.
You don't have
And
to work like
work.
that. So yeah, I got these two
What lucky you is if you want these?
I got two. Oh, you got one of these? Oh, I got two.
You got
So I got two of these right here. These little blue little things. What is it called? I ain't gonna say the word.
ornaments.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah. I'm gonna say something little.
Y'all, Javon didn't want a tree skirt, but I wanted one.
Tree skirt.
Yeah.
Well, you messed up the whole bed, bro.
Ooh.
You're retarded ass. She always miss no place.
Ooh. But it's so cute.
I'm going to add my little joint to it. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait, how much was these in?
Babe,
What are those?
you need the hooks
Hooks for what?
to put on the ornament, babe, the top.
Huh?
Babe, let me see.
Why are you supposed to do the tree?
Yeah, I can tell Javon never,
Shut up. I decorated the tree before. Shut up.
you sure?
Shut up. I never use these small ball. Careful. I never use
But
these
you gotta
small-
use these for all of them.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Now somebody can just push it in the little thing right here. What's she talking about? What's she talking about? She know nothing about decoration. So
Yes,
you gonna
I
tell
do.
me?
Man, I done decorated plenty of trees. Ah! I'm gonna knock you out. Okay, put my little elephant right here.
Girl, you supposed to show me how to do it.
I did. You didn't see?
But I ain't getting no elephant or nothing like that. Man, I ain't nothing like that, bro.
Man, I told you if you wanted to get one, get one.
Hey, man, say, man.
Hey, mate.
All right, wait a minute. Do it for me.
Give me your arm.
Give me my arm.
Okay, look. Stick it through the hole. You would go your cheek. Like that. And hang it on the tree. And
Oh.
close it in.
Wait.
Put it on a branch and close it in. Yep.
That shit retarded as hell. Yeah, that shit retarded. I'm retarded.
I think it's the other way around.
Oh, that's retarded.
You retarded.
Guys, should I knock her out? She's trying to
No.
play me. Bro, why are these knocked up together, man? What the hell? Wait. Man, this shit complicated as hell. Y'all see how she messed the whole bed up?
Babe, we can vacuum. Alright guys, this is my tree right here. Do it again, I'm gonna smack you in your face.
Turn around and let me do it again.
Shoot, get over
I
there.
heard them licks, bro.
Anyway, stop.
I'm not touching you, girl. Come on, do the thing.
Okay, this is my tree, guys. This is Babe's tree right here, y'all. Let me show y'all where he put all these ornaments in one section.
Man, stay in the front, man. Don't do it like that.
He put all his ornaments right here in the front section.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be, right? Everybody go see the back part. That's good, right? That's good.
Alrighty guys, so right now we are about to do that wall right there we record in front of, so that'll be our next step.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, let's get to it.
Alright.
Alright, come on, babe.
This is on the door, huh?
Yeah, that goes on the door.
Let me show you guys this.
Not yet.
Wow, vicious. I like it.
Boy, stop playing with me, babe. I need that.
So why are you trying to grind if you need it then?
I didn't throw it on the ground, you did. Okay. Babe, come on now. I need to see it. Cause we're gonna do just like this. Hold it.
So, wait, that's where it's gonna go? We're gonna put a holiday in. Okay, we lit! We lit over here! Wait, yes, sir? Make sure that like and comment on this video, man. Like, subscribe, something more. Huh? Nothing?
Yeah, I've just stocked things up. Now we're gonna try to put these lights up.
Yeah, these stockings are up. I forgot we had these lights to be honest with you.
Okay, so just let's see how it looks. I'm about to light them up together.
Ooh! I got the light off. Hold on, okay, guys. Hold on, let me turn the light off for you guys.
Alright, BB gang, we are now done. Oh my gosh, look at the scenery. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it looks really beautiful in here.
No white light though.
Yes. Oh,
Didn't that read it?
let me turn this one off real quick. Ooh. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Y'all, we still have
This one. What we're gonna do with this one here?
yeah, we still have a thing of lights. We was thinking about putting them along the window maybe, or putting them somewhere. We just haven't figured out where. We was gonna put it like in this section here, but it wasn't looking right to us, so we was like, where should we put this at? So we'll probably put it like along this window right here, since we got like the garland up there right now. So that's probably where we'll put it, but we need some other type of equipment to hang it up with. Yeah guys, that is our video for decorating the room for Christmas. Like I said, this little area here is going to be our filming area right here. This is Happy Holidays when we do sit down videos.
Move the lights on those and put it here, maybe.
Say it again.
The lights. Turn it up the lights.
Oh, the lights.
I was saying we might move them and put it around Happy Holidays, maybe.
Yeah. So yeah guys, we're this is the end of the video here. We hope you all have a happy holiday. We hope you're enjoying your holiday with your family. We hope you are feeling the Christmas spirit with decorating. And I love decorating like Christmas. I love like decorating trees and stuff, having fun time with your family, you know, drinking hot cocoa or eggnog, and just, you know, having family moments. That's I'm very big on family. I love those moments when I just spend with my family. What about you, babe? Same. So yeah guys, we're pretty exhausted. We're gonna end this video here. Like this video, comment in the comment section below. Also hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. Subscribe to the channel because you're just gonna see more and more bangers after bangers. So yeah guys, we're gonna end it here. So we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.